Hello everyone, it is indeed inspiring to see you back again, and in this tutorial we are going to see that how to create hierarchies. And by creating hierarchies, I'll show you that how your visualizations can help you to drill down into the data. Let us now work with sample superstore dataset, and I will be selecting the source as Microsoft Excel, and I will choose the sample superstore data, and here is my data set, and I'm making that connection. Now, in case of hierarchies, you can see that a lot of websites you explore, and in those websites, you must have seen we have categories, we have subcategories, and then we have products. For example, we have electronics category. Under electronics, we may have mobiles, laptops, electronic accessories. So these could be the subcategories. Under mobile, also we may have subcategory. So this is nothing but a hierarchy. So let us basically take up this order sheet into the this particular area. Let us drag the tables, and you can see that it is processing the request, it is loading the metadata, and we will get all the metadata. Some error has occurred. Let me just close it as of now, and let me try to update the data. So I have basically the data got uploaded over here with the metadata on the left side, and the data which is being displayed on the right side bottom, you can see that is the data which we have. So we will go to sheet 1 and we'll try to create hierarchies. Now here by default Tableau has created a hierarchy. If you see this particular area where we have country and state and city, so country, state, city, this is already a hierarchy. And if I want to create a hierarchy for region and then category and subcategory, so I can do that, and under that I can have products as well. So simply what you need to do is you need to take up the region, look at the region column. So here we have region, and where do we have category? So this is the category. You need to click on category and drag and drop it on top of region. Then there will be a pop-up coming in, and this is a pop-up which has come. So you can basically write whatever hierarchy name you want to give. So it will have the subcategory as well, so I'm writing subcategory, and then it will also have product, so I'm writing product as well. So you can give hierarchy your own name. So you can see that this is the hierarchy name, and then you have region, category, and I'm dropping subcategory below the category, and then I have product name which I will put below the subcategory. So this is another hierarchy which is being formed. Let me now show you that how these hierarchies are being used. Now, for example, I want to see country-wise total sales. So I can drag and drop this country hierarchy in the column section, and I have done that. I will drag and drop the sales into the rows section, and you can see I have done that. So here I can see that country-wise total sales. Let me drag and drop sales into labels as well so that we can see the total sales. You can see now the total sales value, sum of sales value is being displayed. Now if you want to drill down, so you can see this hierarchy actually brings this plus sign. In the country, you can see that pill is there. So in country pill, you can see there's a plus sign. You can click on this plus sign and it will expand under that particular country. Whatever state is coming, it will expand to the states, and you can see here that Austria is there. Under Austria I have here as state as Carinthia, and we have another state, another, and we have, so total 5 states we have under Austria. Similar way we have Belgium. Belgium has got multiple states. This is what is called as hierarchy, and when we are clicking on the plus sign, it is actually drilling down to state, and if I again click, it will actually drill down to cities as well. So this is an option of creating an hierarchy. If you want to reduce, you can again click back onto the state, and you can again click back to the minus sign in the country. It will come back to country. Now let me show you the another example with region. So let me create one more sheet, and in this particular sheet I will be bringing this particular hierarchy in the row section in this particular example, and I will basically bring profit into the column section, and you can see that this is the profit under each of the region. Let's say I want to show the sales as well, so I'm bringing the sales also over here. So you can see that I have profit as well as I have sales, what I will do is, for sales I will change the type of the graph, so I'll just make it circle, and for profit I'll just make it area chart. So you can see that we have area chart and we have a profit. And I will just basically try to now expand the hierarchy. So as soon as I have expanded the hierarchy, you can see that the hierarchy has been expanded to the categories, and now I have subcategories as well under categories. So if I expand the hierarchy, I'm basically entering into the subcategory, and you can see here that subcategories are also populated, and I'm able to see the data subcategory wise. And further I can go into the product level, and there's so many products we can see. Now at product level it is showing us the sum of the profits, and it is also showing us the total sales. So this was all about hierarchies, how you can create them, so you can try them out, and you can have a wonderful drill down experience in Tableau. Thank you very much. Keep watching, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends.